Welcome back to TechnoSage YouTube channel. So today we are having the news regarding Direct Storage API, which is available for PC as of now. And yeah, this was supposed to be launched in April 2022, but it didn't launch with Xbox Series X. But now it's launching for everything. Like Microsoft Direct Storage API was available. At that time, it was available but without GPU decompression. But now it is available with GPU accelerated decompression. So in that it will take the full usage of GPU, like as you can see on the screen here, and for better performance you need an NVMe SSD, but the load times will be significantly increased as it is compatible and Microsoft has said like direct storage 1.1 is coming soon, and it improves, like we are offering an alternative method in direct storage 1.1 by moving decompression to GPU, and it is extremely efficient at unparalleled repeatable tasks in parallel, and it can utilize everything. So basically, as you can see on the screen here, if you use CPU to do it, it takes around 2.636 seconds for 6.65 GB of loading, but using GPU decompression you just do it in 80 seconds, 0.80 seconds, which is too fast. And all DirectX 12 GPU will be supported, that supports shared up model 6.2 will be able to use this technology, which is nice to see. So yeah, pretty much it is very nice, and it will work both on my Windows 10 and Windows 11, but they said like if you want best performance you should have Windows 11. So yeah, because it is optimized for it. So pretty much you are getting an increase in loading times using this technology. So yeah, pretty much nice from Microsoft part. Moving on, we have news regarding Nvidia, and Nvidia is saying that they are unlaunching the 12GB 4080 but RTX 4080, but it significantly means like RTX 4080 has been cancelled as of now. And we know like RTX 4080 is close to be RTX 4070, and it was based on a different die. RTX 4080 was not based on 8102, it was based on 8103, so it was entirely a different GPU. But now, due to backlash, they are doing it, like they are going back and cancelling RTX 4080, which is supposed to be 4070, and maybe they can justify, they need to lower the price of RTX 4070 to justify it. But yeah, they are just like saying unlaunching the 12GB RTX 4080, and they said like because of the naming scheme they had done it. But do note like RTX 3080 has two GPU dies, are 12GB and 10GB variant. So it's like it's basically due to GPU backlash regarding RTX 4080's performance for 12GB. So yeah, you are not going to get RTX 4080, and there will be only one RTX 4080, which is 16GB variant, which is nice to see, and it will be available to you, and it is on track. So yeah, pretty much nice to see, like at least something changed when they had GPU backlash. Not the GPU backlash, but the community backlash for the RTX 4080 performance for 12GB 16GB is good compared to previous gen. And as the launch for Radeon RX 7000 is closing, RDNA 3 is closing near to 3rd November is closing soon. We got the performance for RX 7000 series, as Grey155 stated like it will be launched definitely around November 20th. So yeah, we will be getting this GPUs around like it will be launched on 3rd November, but it will be available from 20th November, something like that. But yeah, I will keep you posted regarding the updates regarding it. But that doesn't stop it. Like one user has asked him what about the performance, and to this Grey155 has tweeted like it can certainly compete with the RTX 4090, but its performance ceiling may not be as high as the full fat 8102, and full fat 8102 is basically RTX 4090 Ti. Like 4090 is based on 8102, but it's not a full fat 8102. There's like some cores which are disconnected as of now from 8102, and maybe later down the line when Nvidia launches RTX 4090 Ti, it will be a full-fledged 8102 GPU die. So yeah, but like RX 7000 7900 XT can't compete with 8102 full fat, but it is a nice thing to see. Maybe it won't compete in ray tracing performance against RTX, because Nvidia's implementation is good in ray tracing as of now, but if it performs in full-fledged performance, then it's nice to see like there will be competition, and then it clearly boiled down to performance like pricing. And on the user ECSM official has said the new Radeon card released in November will be launched in the second half of December, but the first flagship and the second flagship, however, the top performance is difficult to compete with RTX with the 40 series, and I hope the price will not be as confident as Ryzen, but it says like difficult to compete with 40 series, which is like 4090 Ti, but it will compete with 4090. So yeah, pretty much nice to see. So it will boil down to pricing, how expensive these GPUs are, but let's just hope like they are not that expensive. So yeah, pretty much that. And we also have one news regarding one thing where RX 7000 series clearly beats RTX 40 series as of now, and it comes from Hard Forum, where Kyle Bennett has said like the verification from multiple sources that Navi 31 will support upcoming DisplayPort. Yeah, you heard it right. Like Navi 31, like full high-end flagship RX 7000, 7900 XT and 7950 XT may support upcoming DisplayPort 2.1 specification. And do note, DisplayPort 2.0 is out right now, but DisplayPort 2.1 has not been out. So yeah, it is pretty massive to see. Like I think it RTX 40 series only supports DisplayPort 1.8, 1.6 or 1.8. Like it lacks DisplayPort 2.0, which is bad for this generation of GPUs, because DisplayPort 1.8 is capable of only 4K and not 8K, but this 1.4 is capable of 4K at 4K at 120 Hz and 8K at 60 Hz, but DisplayPort 2.0 is capable of more than that, up to 16K, not 60K but 16K. But they are going to support DisplayPort 2.1, which is way higher than it has not been launched as of now. So yeah, pretty exciting to see. Like, and AMD is supporting latest technologies as of now, and to drive it you need that kind of display specifications. So yeah, let's just hope that it turns out to be true. But what do you think about the news about Microsoft DirectX storage, GPU decompression, Nvidia cancelling 4080 12GB variant, and RX 7000 performance? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.